I picked a couple of boards here and prepared them. Yeah. And so cut them to over length, because we'll trim them now to make the proper length when we get it.
The length she wanted.
And that's and this is upside down, and that's the bottom. So that's how we always do it, with the top underneath. So that's now glued and clamped overnight. The glue has cured, and I can now take this off. So now we trim the ends and we cut it to the exact length. But what we've got to do is make sure, to make that exact length, we've got the breadboard ends here, which I prepared yesterday. So they're ready to go on there. So I'll just check the measurements. And she wants it 73 inches. So I've cut it to, it's 68 inches at the moment, 73. And the two ends are 6 inches. So I've got to cut this to 67 inches to make the finished 73. So I need to trim this end for 73. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can slice off that bit there. We now need to fit those. Raise this up a bit. Right, it's that way up, so we glue this side. Three different sanders I'll use. So we go 40, then 80, then we'll go about 180, and then we'll finish off after we've varnished it with 400 grit. This is a clear satin varnish. We buy it in those big tins, 25 litres at a time. It's a water-based, very simple, very easy to put on. In the summer, it dries in 10 to 15 minutes, and you can recoat it obviously quickly. In the winter, it can take up to 20 minutes or even 20 hours to dry, believe it or not, if it's extremely cold. But this will have 4 coats of this, so it's well sealed. It's sealed underneath as well. And then it gives a very good finish. If you want to polish on top of that, bit of pledge or sheen, and they come up beautifully. The knots come up and the grain. After a few months, they look fantastic. But you get a different, you know, there's different patterns, different grains in every plank is different. And that's the beauty of it. Now in about 20-25 minutes, then a third coat, then a fourth, and then I'll ring this lady today to say you can pick it up tomorrow. And hopefully it'll fit in the van. I'm sure it will. I've just measured again and it works.
This is a beautiful table. If someone wanted to order one of them, how would they order?
They order just through Messenger is the best, or they can come through email or my phone, but I try and keep all the orders on Messenger so I know where I am, because I get confused at my age. I get people ordering stuff and I get them mixed up with my little order for food. Hi Mandy, it's Adrian from the Mouse House. Just to say that your top will be ready tomorrow. If you want to give me a call back and arrange time or the best time for you to pick up, and we can get that sorted. Okay.